Beauty Makeup Blender Sponge with uniform tiny pores gives you a perfect makeup application, avoiding waste of cosmetics. In this session we bring Beauty Blender for you. The Beaky 5 pieces makeup sponge set are made from non-latex material that gives you the soft feeling, well elasticity beauty sponge and distinguishable colors. So the question is, why should you choose a Beaky makeup sponge in your makeup routine? Because all Beaky makeup sponges are made of non-latex materials, which have a super soft and bouncy feel. They can provide you with a smooth and even look, as well as it's suitable for various cosmetics. Premium materials, outstanding design and excellent makeup experience attract most buyers love them. They design 5 bright colors for you, which easy to distinguish different parts and cosmetics, bring you a happy mood. It's a practical, thoughtful and enjoyable gift for every woman who loves beauty. Use the pointy end to cover blemishes and imperfections to save your cosmetics. The unique tip design truly reach every edge of your facial contour, which is more conducive to the eyes, nose and mouth corners. It is not deformed after a few days of use. The makeup blenders are all made of high-quality latex-free material. Fine texture with evenly distributed porosity, absorb and release powder smoothly. Dampen the sponge giving a fuller coverage foundation a more natural effect, which is perfect for a dewy, natural glow. For more natural nude makeup, makeup in other ways. Making up with fingers ends up looking patchy, sometimes oily complexions get even oilier with finger application. It can be hard to control how much foundation you use, so the application can be heavy or cakey. Makeup with Beaky Blender. It gives you more control with a sponge than fingers. Foundation will go on sheer and lightweight. They can get into hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. For wet use, number 1, fully soak the sponge with warm water, squeeze out excess water before applying. Number 2, apply the creamy products to all parts of the face. Number 3, then apply the makeup by pressing and tapping. For dry use, apply directly on the sponge surface. Available for powder products, highlight, shading, loose powder etc. The Beaky makeup sponges are made of non-latex materials, which with high water absorption will sop up water immediately and turn much bigger than normal size, making the makeup process quicker. The wet sponge will absorb minimally your favorite cosmetics, and you will feel the next level elasticity and softness. It's a great option to leave you a natural looking and fresh appearance. How to clean your sponges. Wet or soak with warm water to expand the makeup sponge. Apply a small amount of mild soap onto the sponge and work it into a lather. Rinse the sponge until the water runs clear and no soap residue remains. Allow the sponge to air dry completely in a ventilated place before use. For more information about this product, check the link in the description box. Thanks for watching, see you guys later.